this video I'm going to show you how to remove a Pex Crimp ring from the Pex fitting. For starters, we're going to get a Pex cutter and cut as close to the fitting as possible. Alright, we're a little too close, we're hitting the fitting, so I'll just a little bit lower. Cut it off. And then we can shave a little bit off, so I'm going to shave it just a tiny bit off, probably not much, just so we can get in there. Now we got it cut. All I'm going to do is get the Pex ring cutter. I have it set, since this is 1/2 inch, I got to set the 1/2 inch right here. You can move this back and forth for 3/4 and 1/2 inch. Like that. Adjust the depth of the tool. And you can also turn this in and out to adjust how far this closes. I turn mine all the way in for 1/2 inch so don't damage the fitting. This tool is great for not damaging the fitting. So what you do is take this piece, put it in the hole, pinch it, and if you can't get in there more, just shave a little more Pex off, just close to the fitting. And now that's pretty close. I'll put that tool in there, squeeze it, come halfway out, halfway through. I come with the tool just on the corner or on the edge, some more, and I go 180 degrees around, do the same thing, squeeze it halfway through, and then just a little more on the edge. Go to the other end. Do it again, the same spot. It's not working. Check your depth right here. And try it again. The 3/4 is a little easier. There we go. When you snap it, you know you're good. So I pinch it on the other side, just spread it apart a little bit more, or break it off, whichever works. Now, take the crimp ring off. I grab the heat gun, we heat it up. Nice and warm. You don't want to melt it on. Let's get it nice and warm. Get the Pex soft. Slide it off. See, it comes off real easy. Now, I'm using the pliers so I don't burn my hands on the brass fitting, because that's going to hold some heat. So, easy as that. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and please comment below. Take care.